What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Drugs by Tai-verdes. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double punch your face off and break your teeth in half. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you do need to capo up to the first fret. If you want a link to get a free capo, I'll have a link for that in the video description. It'll be the same exact capo I'm giving away for free on my website, as well as if you need the guitar tab, you can find that in the description, or the free ebook will be there as well, where you can find the chord diagrams. So if you need a capo, you need the tab, or you want the free ebook, jump into the video description. There will be a link for all three of those there. We'll start with the chords that you need to know. The first one is going to be an A minor 7. You're going to put your middle finger on the second fret of the D string and your index finger on the first fret of the B string. Then you need E minor. It's going to be second fret on the A string with your middle finger and second fret on the D string with your ring finger. And then C major, it's going to be third fret A, third fret of the A string with your ring finger, middle finger on the second fret of the D, index finger on the first fret of the B. And then finally this version of a G, ring finger third fret low E string, middle finger on the second fret of the A, and your pinky finger on the third fret of the B string. Once you get the chords down, you just need your picking pattern. Starting with your A minor 7, you're going to pick A string with your thumb, and then your index, your middle, and your ring are picking D, G, and B. That's going to be the same for all these chords. Your index, your middle, and your ring are going to always pick D, G, and B. The only thing that's going to change is your thumb is going to change from the root note, which will either be the A string or the low E. So with your A minor 7, you're picking A string, and then all three of those at the same time. All three of the D, G, and B. And then you're going to kind of slap to mute. Then go to your E minor, and you're going to pick low E with your thumb, G or D string with your index, and then G and B at the same time for your E minor. And then slap to mute. So now go to your C chord and pick the same way as your A minor 7, A string, and then D, G, and B all at the same time, mute. And then your G, pick the low E, the same as your E minor. So low E, D, G, and B at the same time, and mute. So all together very slowly, it looks like. And here for the G chord, I'm not even putting my middle finger on the second fret of the A string. You can if you want. It's good practice to fret the entire chord, but you don't have to. You can just use your ring finger on the low E and your pinky finger on the B string. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.